Trying to find balance in between, but it's like my life getting dizzy. Praying out loud, can you hear me? Coming out, I don't conceal me.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass told me she came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced it to my stove. Showed her how to win.
This is my hair. I already started doing 2 in the back just to test out my hair. I just went ahead and pre-sectioned it for I have 65 twists in my hair. Honestly, like, my goal was to finish tonight, but the way it's looking, I'm tired as shit. I'm gonna have to finish tomorrow. But I'm gonna buckle up, do some.
This is the hair that I used. I bought 4 packs, but in total, I only end up using 2. Off camera, I went ahead and completed some back rows just to get comfortable with doing the short method. Here I only had 3 locks left, so I was happy. The bob was bobbing. Yes, get into her. I was too happy. I have 3 locks left. And right here, because I wanted them pretty short, so I was just seeing how long my hair was just so I can know how short to secure the rubber band. So right here, I'm just securing rubber bands to make my hair shorter so I can actually create that bob effect for the locks. So here's me showing that I use 2 strands of hair per lock. So with each lock, I wanted to use 2 strands per hair because I didn't want my locks to be too thick because I wanted them to look as natural as possible. So this is me just wrapping 1 strand, and then with the second strand, I'm wrapping over the first one because I am not using any rubber bands or doing any crocheting. So I want to make sure the lock is as secure as possible. Me using the other strand of hair is basically me just securing that first strand of hair and just making sure the hair intertwines. So the hair just won't slide up and down. It'll just be able to intertwine with each other and sit on the lock. Once I get to the end of the lock and I got it to a length that I want to stop at, I just go ahead and start wrapping back up the lock to go ahead and start creating the bottom of the lock. So here I'm just wrapping the hair back up the lock just to secure the ends of it, and just continue to wrap each strand until it gets small and no strands left, and then I'll just cut any remainder pieces left or just to shape the lock. So here I have 2 locks left. The rest of the clips I'm just gonna have fast forwarding through because I only have 2 locks left. But I did love the finished outcome. I really love how the bob turned out. I'm definitely gonna be doing this style again and styling this style in some different ways. I might do a video on that as well. So I hope you guys enjoy my Watch Me Work series. Peace and love, TG.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. Only me, but I was wrong. She went wrong. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Throw it away, throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Frontin' like you're numb, it got me gone. You're only about yourself. Wanna find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I? You gotta repent to the much weight. Had me thinking that I was average. Think you really don't play. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say I know that was not the same? How you gonna throw it working hard, we ain't having no. Bitch, I'm the man. With no advance. Give my nigga a chance. I see what he gon' do. He the better than best. I done got me some bands too. I can drip on the ground too. So my hood let it down too. I can't decide. Just for a car, I'm a ride. The Phantom Rose body is what? I made the buff beat like the watts. I put some more rocks in the watch. Middle finger to the cops. Make it through real like Tupac. Let the wrong work cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living that lie. You know he said like this.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Tryna find balance in between, but it's like my life getting dizzy. Praying out loud, can you hear me? Coming out, I don't consume me.